ஹாய் நீட் ஆஸ்பிரண்ட்ஸ், வெல்கம் டு வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி. வாரி மெடிக்கல் அகாடமி சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. விஷ் யூ ஆல் தி பெஸ்ட்.
I am Mahanandi, physics faculty. Now I am explaining for the relative motion in a one concept of the motion in a straight line. What is the explanation of relative motion? Relative means the relation of the any two, that is called a relative. Means motion means if you any two bodies is moving or having, means that time the relation is explaining of the two bodies is called relative motion. If you suppose any one body is moving and another body also is moving, that time the relation of the two bodies of the velocities we have finding is called relative motions. Suppose one body, A body having this body moving with velocity v and another body B body having this body moving with velocity v. First body of velocity va bar taking mine, second body of velocity vb bar taking. Now two bodies is having, two bodies is our velocities having a body of the velocity and b body of the velocity. Now two bodies are the motion having. How to we will representation of these two bodies of the relative velocity. Relative velocities is representation of the velocity of the A body with respect to B body. A body with respect to B body means now A body of the velocity with respect to B body of velocity. Here A with respect to B having means A body of the velocity is more compared to the B body of velocity. Now VA bar minus VB bar. If you suppose B with respect to A means VB bar minus VA bar. We know now here velocity of the body AB, velocity of the body B with respect to A. Now these both of the magnitudes, these both are not equal, but the magnitude of the velocity A with respect to B and velocity B with respect to A, magnitudes are equal. VAB magnitude is equal to the magnitude are equal. Magnitude are equal. Now VAB means what? VA bar minus VB bar magnitude is equal to the this one VBA magnitudes are equal. Or another form, this form how to will change means VA bar minus VB bar is equal to the, now minus I will keep now VA bar minus VB bar, both of the magnitudes also is equal. This is the generally explanation of the, if you any two bodies is moving, that time the two bodies with respect to velocities finding, that is the relative motion we can explain. We have discussed. Now if your relative velocity after, if you any two bodies are moving in a same direction, what happen? If your opposite direction, what happen? How much time is taken? Now relative motion based example. One train is moving and another one more train also with parallel to the first train, A train, B train. Now first train of the velocity VA and second train of the velocity VB. Both are velocity having, these one train is crossed each other to other. Trains cross each other. Train cross each other. If you train cross each other time, how much the relative velocity means? If you both trains are moving in same direction, both trains are moving in same direction means the relative velocity VAB bar is equal to the VA bar minus VB bar. Why means? Because here A body of the velocity is more compared to the B body of velocity. That time this A train is crossed to the B train, or VBA bar is equal to the VB bar minus VA bar. If you suppose B body of the train is more velocity compared to the A train of velocity means the respective velocity of the more velocity of the B body to A body. VBA bar is equal to VB bar minus VA bar. Suppose these two trains in opposite, this is same directions, same direction. Now these two trains of the track distance is suppose D, time equal to distance by velocity VA bar minus VB bar, cross each other of the time taken. Or if your B body of velocity is more with respect to A body of the time, T equal to D by VB bar minus VA bar. If you suppose, and another application of the example, A body of the train is moving VA velocity and second train B of the train is moving in opposite direction of the first train VB bar. Now train cross each other, train cross each. How much taken the relative velocity of the bodies means VAB bar is equal to the VA bar plus VB bar. If you any two bodies are moving in opposite direction, the net of the relative velocity is the summation of the velocities. Now how much time is taken? These two trains cross each other means time is taken T equal to D by VA bar plus VB bar. These are the motion in a straight line of the relative of the applications to application. If you any two bodies or trains or cars or bikes or whatever, one bike or one car or one bus or one train or whatever having means two bodies of the velocity are in same direction going on means the relative velocity is the subtraction. If you two bodies of the velocity is moving in a opposite direction, the relative velocity is the summation. If you time period how much time is taken the cross section of the each other means the time equal to the distance between of the two trains by relative velocity. These are the explanation of the relative motion of the example. Now boat and river concept. First one, if your river is flowing continuously, this is the river. River width is d. Now one boat having these boat, here conditions first, boat river. If your river is flowing one direction means boat is coming to same direction, what happen? If your river going to one direction, boat is coming to opposite direction, what happen? If your river continuously going time, the boat is crossed one end to another end, how much shortest time is taken? If your boat one end to another end is crashed, that time how much shortest path is taken? That is the explanation of the boat river concept. Now boat river concept, river width d having boat. Now first same direction, boat velocity vb or means down direction, downstream. Now river also flowing same VR means river of the velocity and VBR is the boat of the velocity with respect to river. VBR is the boat velocity with respect to river. Now boat is inside of the water having downstream going on. Now how much time is taken of the boat moving means first the velocity V is equal to the, if you want means VB, V boat velocity plus river velocity. Why means if your river of the water moving in downstream time, the boat also moving heavily speed, the net speed is the more velocity. Now how much time is taken? This one means time equal to distance by net speed means VBR plus VR. This is downstream. Suppose same river having river width d. Now river flowing is VR, but boat is moving in opposite direction. VB or see, river is flowing downward direction, but boat is moving to upstream. Upstream velocity is the V bar equal to. Now here river velocity is more compared to the boat velocity, means which one is velocity is more means boat velocity is only compared to the river velocity. Why means because if you suppose river velocity is more having means the boat is not coming to upstream. Confirmly we need boat velocity only more compared to the river velocity means VB or minus VR. Now how much time is taken? Time equal to distance of the by VBR minus VR. These are the explanation of the upstreams. First one is the downstream, second one is the upstream. If you upstream and downstream finish, now next shortest time or shortest path. Now boat is crossing the river. What is the explanation of the shortest time means? Now river having river width D having. Now boat here having A point and boat and another point is B, another corner, another bank. Now boat is moving from the A to B. Shortest time how much means the velocity of the river direction is VR bar. Now boat shortest time means wherever the shortest distance is having means that is shortest time is going to, but here A to B. Now applying for the VBR. Boat velocity with respect to river. Shortest time is wherever the river flow side boat they will go means immediately that is very speedily reach to the one bank to the another bank. Now river flowing is the horizontally, but boat A to B reached want means if you go to the rivers of the flow side means immediately that is short time only reach to the another bank side. Now this is reached here. This is the VB, boat velocity with respect to ground, or VNet. Now here both of this some angle changes. Why means shortest time changing. Shortest time what means angle is changes. This angle. Now this angle based only. Now sin theta is equal to the opposite by adjacent. Opposite is the VR, sorry, sin theta opposite by hypothesis. Opposite VR by hypothesis VBG. Now VBG means the boat velocity first A to B, after B to C. Suppose we will choose C point. Now VBR square plus VR square root of is equal to the VBG. VR bar by, if you VBG means root of VBR square plus VR square. Now VBG is the root of VBR square plus VR square. Now here B to C, how much distance having? BC distance. BC distance, generally this distance want means velocity into time. Now velocity we know, velocity of the river, but time, how much time is taken means the time is equal to the time is distance of the river of width D by velocity is the VBR. This is the time period. Now distance, BC distance means now distance velocity of the river into time. velocity of the river v r bar into time is the d by vbr. Now if you suppose here tan theta, what is the explanation of tan theta? Tan theta is equal to the opposite by adjacent, opposite vr by vbr. These are the explanation of the shortest time. Now next, now shortest path. Now river flowing having river width d having, what is the explanation of shortest path? Means if you any river continuously going on, which side is first boat moving? After the river flow purpose, the boat is coming nearest point. Means now river flowing is here. This is velocity of the river vr bar. Here exactly at a point B bank, at a point A bank. Now A bank to the upstream side going the boat VBR, boat with respect to river. If you go to upstream side, means immediately the river of the flow purpose, the boat is reached at the exactly of B point. Why? Means because the river of the velocity is affected of the boat velocity. This is the V net or boat velocity with respect to ground. Now if you boat reach to the A bank to B bank is the shortest path. If you shortest path having, how much time is taken here? Means now if your boat is the sum of the angle is maintained, this angle is theta. Now first the boat velocity of the net velocity VBG with respect boat velocity with respect to ground, means here VBR square minus VR square root of VBR square minus VR square. That is only boat velocity with respect to ground. How much time is taken? Time is T equal distance of the river, means width of the river, D by VBG. VBG or VNet means T equal to D by VBG means root of VBR square minus VR square. Now here angle sin theta equal to opposite VR by hypothesis VBR. If you suppose tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent VBGR. If you any shortest path want, means the boat is moving upstream side, means immediately the river of the velocity purpose, the boat is coming exactly one bank to another bank is coming to path direction. If you shortest time want, means our target we will put A bank to B bank, but the river of the water flow purpose, the boat is moving to at sea, moving at reach the sea bank. Why means shortest time only is taken. These are the explanation of the relative motion and boat river concept. Thank you for watching this video.